My fellow investors, fellow Jamaicans, today we're moving on to a developing story that has the entire Caribbean business world talking. We're going to dive deep into a major executive shakeup at one of the region's most iconic and historic brands, Angostura Holdings Ltd. The news broke recently and has sent ripples through the financial community as Deputy CEO Rahim Mohammed has been officially placed on administrative leave effective February 26, 2026. Now, this is not just a standard holiday or a planned break. According to official company reports and regulatory filings, Mohammed is being sidelined pending the outcome of an internal investigation into specific administrative matters. While the company's official statements have remained relatively vague to protect the integrity of the process, local reports from the Trinidad Guardian and other regional sources have started to fill in the blanks. The investigation reportedly centers on purported issues regarding the cost of overseas travel and fees related to a feature in a high-profile US publication dated back approximately 10 months. Signs of trouble at the executive level have actually been surfacing for a while now. In October 2025, Mohammed's extensive portfolio was significantly reduced in a move that many insiders saw as a precursor to further action. At that time, he was stripped of his oversight for critical departments including marketing, IT, procurement, and corporate communications, leaving him to focus solely on the international sales division. This shift was a massive blow to a man who had been the primary architect behind some of the country's most talked about recent ventures. Mohammed was the driving force who brokered the high-profile relationship between Angostura and dancehall legend Vybz Kartel to launch the Straight Vybz rum brand. The Straight Vybz collaboration was seen as a massive move to modernize the Angostura brand and tap into the global influence of Jamaican dancehall culture and the massive Gaza fan base. Mohammed personally oversaw the details of the deal, which successfully brought together the traditional heritage of the Trinidadian Bitters Empire and the unmatched star power of the world boss. For many fans and business analysts alike, this partnership represented a bold new direction for Angostura, merging centuries-old distilling traditions with the high-energy world of modern dancehall. However, while the Straight Vybz launch was hailed as a marketing milestone, it appears that internal tensions over executive spending and delegation of authority has been brewing behind the scenes for some time. In a further move that suggests a serious tightening of internal controls, the company recently took the rear step of suspending the delegation of authority for its entire management team. This means that the board of directors is now personally signing off on all the procurements for all goods and services, a move that is almost unheard of for a company of this scale and complexity. Rahim Mohammed is a well-known figure at Angostura, having joined the company way back in 2017 and been promoted to the newly created Deputy CEO role in April of 2025. Angostura, in the meantime, has maintained that this leave is a standard procedural step to ensure that the investigation is fair and thorough, and they have emphasized that it does not imply a finding of guilt at this stage. Yet, the business world is watching closely to see how this affects the future leadership structure and the momentum of celebrity-driven brands like Straight Vybz and future dancehall collaborations. If the investigation uncovers significant financial irregularities, it could lead to even more drastic changes at the top of the world-famous bitters and rum empire. So now it's over to you guys. What do you think about the sudden change in leadership at Angostura? Do you think that the Vibes Cartel collaboration will be impacted by this internal shakeup? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Now, we here at Money Talk JA will be following this story closely as it develops, so stay tuned for further updates. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more breaking news from across the region. And before you go, fellow investors, quick update. Money Talk JA now has a newsletter. Hit the link at the top of the description to sign up to join our growing community and make sure that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen right now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next one.